Hey folks, it's Tim at Maryland Roofing Company, and I wanted to take an opportunity to share with you some of the typical types of damage that we see that are generally naturally occurring to both shingle and flat roofs. We look for things like cracking and curling on the actual shingles themselves. We pay attention to the gutter lines to see where the shingles have started to curl over into the gutters. We look at all of your sealants to make sure that they haven't decayed and degraded. We inspect to make sure that we can identify any physical damage that's happened to the roof. We also pay close attention to the shingles themselves to make sure that the granules haven't fallen completely away. On the flat roofs, we inspect primarily the sealants and the membranes to make sure that the UV damage and the cracking hasn't gotten too bad to allow water to penetrate through. That's it for today's roofing quick tip. Until next time, stay dry and have yourself a fantastic day.